it up on the stove, the tomato plant continued to grow, and just like it normally would. And the one that was watered with the microwaved water died because there was no nutrition. There's nothing in that water that could support that plant, that tomato plant. It could not use that, and it ended up dying because there was no nutritional value in that water. And that's what happens to your food when you put it in the microwave. You completely kill it of all, you completely strip it of all nutritional value, and it's just warm. And yeah, I try to stay away from the microwave as much as possible, just because of I like to get the nutritional value from my food. But anyway, I rattle on long enough, went on a couple different tangents, but that's just what happens sometimes. But anyway, grow food, not laws, my friends, and I will be back out here tomorrow to finish a lot of this stuff up. See you then. Have an amazing day, my friends.